upload new videos last week because we were busy, guys.
Always.
But now, guys, we're going to give tips on how to embrace the new normal. Honestly, guys, I'm very scared going out, guys. But just recently, I decided to move on and accept. So we will give tips, but guys, these tips were very basic, but we still give you these tips. So what's that first tips, Ayesha?
Pray!
Yes.
We always pray.
Yes, prayer is very important, guys. We need to put God in the center of our family
Heart.
and in our lives. Yes. And second tips.
Wash your hands properly.
Yes. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay.
Always.
So always wash your hands properly, guys. So you can't catch any virus.
That's so true.
Yes. And the third tips.
Mask always.
Yes, guys. Wear your mask wherever you go, guys. Even though you are
That is
talking.
important.
Yes, it's important, guys. Even though you are talking with your friends or with your relatives, always wear your mask properly. And the fourth tip, you need
To bring your
alcohol. So bring your alcohol wherever.
That is important.
Yes,
in the
it's
world.
important also, guys, that you need to bring your alcohol wherever you go, especially you're going out to grocery or to the mall. So just bring your alcohol wherever you go, guys. And the fifth tips, guys, is social
Distancing.
Yes, social distancing. It's 1 meter to 2 meters. And the sixth tips, guys, is
Wash your hands properly.
yes, wash your hands properly before getting inside your house. If you came from outside, guys, so don't forget to wash your hands before getting inside. Then after that, what you should do?
Take a bath.
Yes, take a shower immediately, guys, so that you will be totally clean. Yes, guys. So those tips, guys, are very basic, but this can help us to embrace the new normal. And because those tips, guys, we just recently, or I recently allowed my son going to camping with his friends. And we also went to the park with our families. So guys, watch this video on how we embrace the new normal and reconnecting to nature. We're finally out, guys, and we're now at the park with families. Hi, Aisha. Say hi to our viewers. Please watch this video. At this time, we are wearing masks and with our alcohols. Chuk. Where's your alcohol, Mom? Yan. Oh, let's eat pizza. Wow. It's nice to be out. He's hungry. Hi to our viewers, Mom. Hello, my mom. Hello, Kuya Dylan. Hi, what's up, my handsome son? Suma, Daddy Lo, my dad. Hello. Happy Sunday. Say happy Sunday. Our two boys, our two silent boys. My son. Are you full, Mom?
Yes.
We're all full, so it's time to
Lord.
jog. Hi, Aisha. Jog. shoes. Okay. Do you see that video, guys? She was very happy going out to the park and we enjoyed a lot, guys. So the tips that we gave you guys were very, very important. Yes, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video.
I hope you listen.
I hope you like also this video, guys.
And I hope-
thank you so much for watching.
Now,
Don't forget to like